Good morning, students. So now we know that how can we solve that pair of linear equations by the graphical representation method and that algebraic method. In that algebraic method, we have the three more methods. One is that substitution, second one elimination, the third one cross multiplication method. Okay, here some mathematical statements are to be given. Okay, based on that mathematical statements, we are preparing the pair of linear equations. Okay, then find the solutions for the pair of linear equations. You can use any method in that situation. Okay, you can use any method. So either graphical representation method, either algebraic method, one of the algebraic method, elimination, substitution, or cross multiplication method, whatever it is. Okay, whatever you can use, then finally you can find the solution for the given question. Okay, uh, you followed any method, but the answer should be same for all the types of methods. Okay, so here the question is to be form a pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions by the algebraic method. They mentioned the condition algebraic method, not to be the graphical representation. Okay, algebraic method, which algebraic method we can use here, that your wish only. Okay, if you feel that this is the method easily to find the solutions to the following page, then you can use that only. Okay, any one of the algebraic method, either elimination, substitution, or cross multiplication method, solutions by the algebraic method. So now go to the question. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. Okay, so one car starts from A and another starts from B at the same time. At the same time. Okay, both the cars will starts from the point A and point B. Okay, so if the cars travels in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in fires. Okay, so if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? What are the speeds of the two cars? Okay, so we'll observe it. This is a highway road. Two cars are to be standing. One is on point A, one more thing is on point B. Okay, wherever it is, not coincide with the point A. Okay, so these two cars are to be started their journeys. These two cars are started their journeys from this point and this point. Okay, with the different speeds. These two cars are travels in the same direction. If it is traveling to this side, this is also to be travel this side only. Okay, two cars are to be travel in the same direction. Okay, the cars will meet after fires. Clear what I said? Okay, they are traveling in the same direction, they will meet after fires. Okay, that's the first condition. Then the second condition is the car A, it's a car B. In the second condition, the cars are towards each other. The cars are towards each other means one is moving to that east side, one more thing is moving to the west side. Okay, that is means towards each other. Okay, then automatically they meet at this point. After how much time they will meet, the condition is to be mentioned. If the car travels towards to each other, then they meet after 1 hour. Okay, if they are in the same direction, they meet after 5 hours. Okay, clear. Then find the speeds of the two cars. That is a condition here. Okay, clear. For example, we can assume that car A speed is x, car B is speed y. Those are to be travel in the same direction. They meet after 5 hours. Means within 1 hour the speed of the car is to be x kilometer. Within 1 hour the car will travel in x kilometers only. Speed of the car means speed means to be represented as at x kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour. The meaning of a thing, whatever the vehicle will travel in 1 hour these many kilometers. That's the meaning of thing. For example, 10 kilometer per hour means within 1 hour will travel 10 kilometers. 15 kilometer per hour will travel means within 1 hour will travel 10 kilometers. Clear? That's the meaning of the thing. Okay, here the speed of the car is x kilometer per hour. Speed of the car b is y kilometer per hour. Okay, both the cars are to be moving to the same direction, then they meet 5 hours. Meaning of a thing, car a travel 5 hours and car b travel 5 hours. Okay, so both the cars are to be travel 5 hours, after that they meet. Okay, means 1 hour they travel x kilometers, in 5 hours they travel how many kilometers? Car a will travel 5x kilometers. Clear? In 1 hour the car a travel for x kilometer, then automatically in 5 hours how many kilometers the car a will travel means 5x. The same situation we can apply that. Car b speed is y kilometer per hour, means within 1 hour the car b travel y kilometers. Then within 2 hours how much distance is to be covered by the car b? 2y kilometers. Within 3 hours 3y kilometers. In the same way, within 5 hours how many kilometers will travel by car b? 5y kilometers. So then 5x it is to be traveled 5y. After that they meet. The meaning of a thing, what is the distance between the car? What is the distance between a and b? 100 kilometers. Okay, so it is travel 5x kilometer, it is travel 5y kilometers. Then the difference between that, then they meet. Then what is the difference journeys of car a and car b means 5x minus 5y. So it is to be travel 5x kilometer, it is to be travel 5 kilometers. Distance difference their journeys is equal to 5x minus 5y. That result is equal to 100 kilometers. The distance of these two cars is 100 kilometers only na? Then difference between their traveling times is traveling journeys is also to be 100 kilometers only. Okay, that is 100 kilometers only. Clear now what I said? In the same situation here, within 1 hour it should be travel, it is travel means x kilometer, it is travel 1 hour y kilometers. Then they are meeting, means it is 1 hour, x kilometer y kilometer, they are meeting. That is not to be difference, they covered how many kilometers? It is x, it is y, both are to be added, that is distance between the points a and b. Clear what I said? It is travel x kilometer, it is travel y kilometers, then they meet at this point. Okay, x plus y, the travels of the car, the two cars are to be travel x plus y, then the distance between the distances is equal to 100 kilometers only. Here we can subtract it, we are getting the result 100. Here we add this, the result is to be 100. Okay, clear? So then coming to the concept, let the speed of car a is equal to x kilometer per hour, speed of car b is equal to y kilometer per hour. According to the problem, we write that 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. Okay, so means we write it is that, so t is equal to d by s, time is equal to distance by speed, time is equal to distance by speed. Then 5 is equal to how much time they can take to meet in the opposite same direction means x minus y. 5 is equal to 100 by x minus y. Okay, if you cannot understand this, then automatically you can write this what I said. Okay, what I said here. Okay, based on that, so we are writing that according to the problem 5x minus 5y is equal to 100 kilometers, x plus y is equal to 100 kilometers. The meaning of the thing here, so this is the time. After how many hours they meet? Within 5 hours, after 5 hours they meet. 5 is equal to, okay, it is the time formula, distance by speed. Distance, how many kilometers distance between the two cars? 100 kilometers. Speed means it is opposite direction, will subtract the speed. It is in the same direction, same direction, will subtract the speed. In the opposite direction we can add the speeds. Okay, 5 is equal to 100 distance by speeds in the same direction, then x minus y. 1 within 1 hour after they'll meet, means 1 is equal to distance is to be 100 kilometers, so opposite direction, then add the speeds of those cars, x plus y. Okay, by transposing to the side, 5 into x minus y, that means 5x minus y is equal to 100. 1 into x plus y is equal to 100. These are the pair of linear equations, two equations. Okay, so we are using the elimination method to solve that x and y values. Then already we know that in that elimination method, one of the variables should be eliminated by observing the coefficients of the similar variables. Here x coefficients 5 and 1 not to be same and not to be opposite, additive inverses. Here -5 plus 1 not to be same, not to be additive inverses. Then we can change as either equal ones or additive inverses. So how can you change as a equal ones? Okay, the first equation is to be multiplied with the second equation, x coefficient or y coefficient. Okay, so whatever it is, so you can cancel y coefficients here, then automatically y coefficient is to be 1. First equation is to be multiplied with 1. 1 into 5, the meaning of the thing, whenever a number should be a number is multiplied with 1, then automatically the result is also to be same. Then 1 result is to be same. 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. The total second equation is multiplied with 5. Why? Because we can cancel the y, then y coefficient. Okay, 2 into 5, 5x plus 5y, that is equal to 5 into 100, 500. So subtracting, so both are to be additive inverses. Then directly add those values. Minus 5y plus 5y cancel. 5x plus 5x 10x is equal to 100 plus 500 600. X is equal to 600 by 10. X is equal to 60. X is equal to 60. That x is equal to 60 substitute in that either first equation or second equation. Okay, first equation or second equation. Then x is equal to 60 put in the second equation. The second equation is x plus y is equal to 100. 60 plus y is equal to 100. Then y is equal to 100 minus 60. Then y is equal to 40. So what is the x and y in the problem? We assume that the x is to be speed of car A. Y is speed of car B. Speed of car A is equal to 60 km per hour. Speed of car B is equal to 40 km per hour. 40 km per hour. Clear? So we'll check it. Those are to be right or wrong here. So what I said, after 5 hours they meet. After 5 hours means car A will travel how many kilometers? After 1 hour 60 kilometers. 5 hours 300 kilometers. Okay, clear. So 1 hour car B will travel 40 kilometers. Then 5 hours car B will travel how many kilometers? 200 kilometers. 5 4s are 200. Then 300 minus 200 is equal to 100 kilometers. 300 minus 200 is equal to 100 kilometers. Why? Because the distance between the car B, it is to be travel 400 kilometers, 200 kilometers. If it is travel 200 kilometers, then automatically car A will reach that destination point of B. Why? Because the speed of car B is 60. Then it means it is to be 300 kilometers travel in that 5 hours. A car A will travel 300 kilometers. In that 5 hours, car B travel 200 kilometers. If the car B will reach the 200 kilometers point, then automatically car A will be reach that point within 5 hours. Why? Because car A speed is to be more than to compare the car B. Okay, so then the journey difference is to be 100 kilometers is clear. Why? Because distance between the 2 points is 100 kilometers already. It is to be given in the starting question. Okay, in the same. In 1 hour, it is travel x kilometer 40. In 1 hour, B travel 40 kilometers. 60 plus 40 is 100. Means the distance between the 2 points is 100 kilometers only. So the answer is to be right. Okay.